Lakefront Tower information, Romeo 1653 Zulu observation, wind 280 at 24, gust 34, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 12, dew point 05, altimeter 296. RNAV approach is being conducted, landing runway 36 left, notice airmen. Use caution for multiple cranes 200 feet below 1 mile southwest of Lakefront Airport. All heavies unusable. Read back all hold short instructions. Use caution for birds in the vicinity of the Lakefront Airport. Advise on initial contact. You have Romeo.
Alright, we got Romeo. Lakefront ground, Skyhawk 1092 Alpha.
Skyhawk 1092 Alpha, Lakefront ground.
Skyhawk 1092 Alpha requests to be a VFR to the west in the Bravo with Romeo ready to taxi at the guard ramp.
Skyhawk 992 Alpha, departure frequency 133.15, squawk 0411.
Departure 13315, squawking 0411 for 92 Alpha.
Skyhawk 902 Alpha, runway 27, taxi via Foxtrot.
Foxtrot to 27, 92 Alpha. I will go over to tower. Lakefront Tower, Skyhawk 1092 Alpha, hold short 27 approach.
Skyhawk 1092 Alpha, Lakefront Tower, runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind 280 at 19er, gust 30.
27, clear for takeoff, 92 Alpha.
Jet speed 104, say ride conditions on final?
Alright, yeah, it's definitely moderate turbulence, border severe.
Alright, ready to go? Here we go. Alright, power spec. Airspeed's alive, temperature pressure 55. I'll rotate.
Jet speed 104, where are you guys parking?
We're going to flight line.
Jet speed 104, Roger, you can cross runway 27 and contact ground point 7 on the other side.
Cross 27 and 0.7 on the other side, thanks.
What too bad? The landing will be pretty interesting. Alright, engine looks good.
Skyhawk 902 Alpha, contact departure 133.15, have a good flight.
Departure, we'll see you, thank you, 92 Alpha. Okay, we'll approach Skyhawk 1092 Alpha.
1092 Alpha, Nolan's approach, ident.
Ident with request 92 Alpha.
1092 Alpha, say request.
Request city tour and to be westbound along the river, after that to the Hahnville, Descherain area, and then back to Lakefront along the river.
1092 Alpha, radar contact 1 mile west of Lakefront Airport. Clear to Nolan's Bravo, maintain 1,500 on Nolan's Bravo.
Clear to the Bravo, will maintain 1,500, 92 Alpha. Alright.
1092 Alpha, say altitude.
1,800. There's some wind.
Yep. Cessna 1092 Alpha, maintain 1,500 well to Nolan's Bravo and contact Nolan's Tower 119.5.
Roger, maintain 1,500 and contact Tower 119.5. 30 knot wind. We are pointed this way, and we are moving this way. That's pretty insane. Get this.
We drifting in midair, bro.
Yep. It's crazy how much freaking water is around here.
Tower, Airman 6, got the landing area in sight.
Airman 6, Roger, there is traffic maneuvering a mile to the east of the bridge at 1,300 feet to Cessna. Nolan's wind is 270 at 19, gust 26, registers terminated for exchange group.
Roger, Airman 6, I have that traffic in sight.
Roger.
There's that, it's probably going to auctioneer, which we just passed.
Yeah, we just passed auctioneer.
Air mid, or actually it's right here somewhere, on our tail.
Cessna 92 Alpha, traffic's a mile southwest of the bridge there. A helicopter has you in sight 900 feet. Currently entry 12 to 1 o'clock.
Roger, got that traffic in sight, 92 Alpha.
Roger.
You're right on our nose, see him?
Yeah.
Traffic.
Hey, get the traffic alert. Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
On him, that's him right there.
Got air medic?
Yeah, Air Med, you heard? I don't know if you heard him. Air Med, they're probably going to Oxner. He's close. That'd be a fun day right now in the helicopter. All this wind.
Yes, indeed. Amazing how many aviation. I've never met so many people in my life now.
Oh yeah, there's.
Growing up here, you don't
know anyone, but
getting up in the aviation, I was like, wow, there's a lot of people that really, in the aviation.
Oh yeah.
Met the day at work, I met this Navy guy. He flies the helicopters for the Navy.
Yeah, it has taken us forever to get out here, but we'll get back fast, I guess.
On a clear day, you kind of rock it out here?
Huh?
On a clear day, you kind of rock it out here? Well, not so windy.
If there's no wind, yeah, we got a 30-knot headwind right now, so we're doing like 80 knots over the ground when we usually do 100 and 120. But we'll be doing 140 knots back. I guess
they're building a golf course back here, huh?
They'll balance out. The golf course?
Yeah, they're building it right here, something like that. We're going.
Southwest 917 on the visual, 29, good afternoon.
So 917, nose tower winds 280 at 21, gust to 28, runway 29, clear to land.
We'll take
To the wind, 29, Southwest 29, or 917.
Easy. Easy money.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's AMA Airport. That's pretty cool.
Where?
Right under us.
Able 7724, contact departure. Good day.
Departure 7724, see ya.
Flew out of there my very first time in a general aviation plane was out of there.
Cessna 92 Alpha, traffic's 2 o'clock, 5 miles, Cessna 1,300 southeastbound.
Roger, looking for that traffic, 92 Alpha.
Where's he at?
Able 7724, contact departure.
Mailbox.
Crazy, you think the middle would be in the middle of the river to pass, but it's not.
All right.
And a 520, contact departure.
Factory 9520.
It's badass. And Orange Tower, 92 Alpha will be turning back now to head eastbound along the river.
92 Alpha, roger.
It's crazy, bruh.
Am I right over it, or did it pass it up?
No, you flew right over it. Literally, I'm looking at it.
Yeah, we got a tailwind now, so we'll be scooting back.
Oh, yeah.
It already feels faster. I feel like we were like a snail earlier. Wish it was legal to fly under the bridge.
Oh, yeah. I do that all the time on the video games, bro.
There's Session. That's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
Freaking church back there. Good God. Where's the, hold on, where's the, oh, there it is. Is that it? Yeah. The
what?
Duplantis house?
Oh, yeah. I actually go to this church.
Really?
Yeah. That church is huge.
Freaking
Going out
house.
for what, like years. Yeah, but that
Yeah, he wants a Falcon 9X, you heard?
Oh, yeah.
Ask him if we can fly it for him.
I see then ask for a G5, bro.
Hey, no, yeah, he needs a G6.
6. especially if he's going over the world like that.
Spirit 95 knows runway 29er, wind 290 at 19, gust of 28, clear to land.
Gust in 28, this will be fun. We're going so much faster.
Gee, you can feel it, we rocketing.
I don't know where the ground speed is.
It had a little GPS, not as big as this. This is little.
Yeah. This is like the G1000 avionics. I love it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Look, it's definitely you got everything in one spot. You don't have to keep looking at it.
Yeah, that's what I'm used to playing video games too.
Look at these cargo ships, bro. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, just wait till we get like by the port. It's insane how much cargo they have there. There's a tower. That's who we've been talking to the whole time. It's kind of funny.
HL. Man, crazy. So where I live at, I can all kind of stuff that comes in.
Yeah.
When Air Force One came in.
Oh really?
I'll never forget. It was day after school. Just getting out the car, about to go inside, and I'm looking. This 747. I'm like, what the hell? Like,
yeah, what is he doing here?
That's not normal. So then I'm looking, I'm like, Mama, that's Air Force One.
Yeah.
And then I was driving on airline and took off. What runway is?
It's got to take off on that. What is it? 11 runway 11 and runway.
Yeah, it took off on 11.
There you go. Yeah.
Took off on 11, and I was like parallel to him, and I was like, whoa, that thing was roaring out of here.
Yeah. Yeah, check them out. Coming into land, pretty close.
Traffic.
Get the traffic alert.
Yep. Who is that?
The factor? Is that JetBlue?
Looks like Spirit. That's Spirit.
Spirit?
Yeah.
There's another one. That's probably Southwest in front of us. I missed the old Huey, which is
Oh yeah.
O'Hare's not far behind him.
At all. Well, see, when I went to Atlanta, we flew privately, so we never got to and saw that traffic. We just pulled right into the gate.
Yeah.
But we parked by a couple 777s, some big 747s.
Really?
Oh yeah. Had to go find those pictures.
Check that causeway out. This is a pretty good shot. Longest bridge in the world.
Most annoying too.
Yeah, no shit.
South 394, Neil Tower runway 29 line of weight.
South of weight 29, south of 394.
Be close.
Hell yeah, we were real close.
It's American.
That's 737.
Yeah. Scooting. Yeah, check out all these freaking containers.
Yeah. It's insane, bro. I think we have the,
It's one of the largest ports.
Yeah.
Northern Tower, Rescue 5, medevac helicopter just off the pad at Tulane, headed over to Oster Main Hospital.
Yeah, I see him.
Question Bravo.
Look right to the left of the Superdome.
Yeah, that's where,
5 right in.
So 2798, contact Fort Trevor, good day.
Whenever I showed you that video, of the air medic.
4th line runway heading, 29 clear for takeoff.
29 clear for takeoff, southwest. 394.
Rescue 5 is ready to contact 9 east of International, cleared to the Bravo. Report your landing area when able. New Orleans altimeter is 29903.
Specify clear the Bravo, 29903, and we'll report landing area when able.
249. Yeah, here's your shot at.
This contact, you have Sierra. Lakefront empty from Sierra, 1753 Zulu. Wind 280 at 23, gust 31, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 13, dew point 6, altimeter 2994. Expect on air runway 36 left approach. Notice Termin, multiple cranes, 200 feet and below, 1 nautical mile southwest of the airport.
Got this guy.
394, contact departure, good day.
This is 394.
Say Airbus.
Oh, 531, we're going to go a little bit early there. Fly runway heading runway 29, cliff takeoff. No delay on the roll, traffic's 5 mile final.
Runway 29, clear for takeoff, Southwest 531.
Make it 2607, there'll be one more departure in front of you.
Roger. Tower 5, landing area inside of Oscar Main Hospital.
Rescue 5, the wind here at the field 280 at 21, gust 26, radar service terminated, frequency change is approved.
Rescue 5, Roger, thanks for the wind.
Tower 92 Alpha, request break off to Lakefront.
92 Alpha, contact Lakefront Tower 119.9, or Sirius current 36 is in use.
19.9, thanks for the help, 92 Alpha. Front Tower, Skyhawk 1092 Alpha, 4.5 to the south, Sierra, full stop.
Skyhawk 1092 Alpha, Lakefront Tower, make straight in runway. Correction, wind's currently 270 at 24. You can enter a left base runway 27.
Left base 27, 92 Alpha. Yeah, I was about to say, I'm not taking a 29 crosswind. The max crosswind component for this plane is 15 knots. That ain't gonna happen, bud.
Oh, no indeed not.
Huh?
I was talking with the guy said, no indeed not.
He was about to say straight in,
right.
36. I was like, negative.
I've only done one straight in, the rest beginning the pattern.
Yeah, straight ins aren't terrible. It is a little, it's different if you're used to working the pattern, you know. Before landings, fuel to both, fuel selector, mixture's rich. We'll get the flaps here in a second.
Sounds good.
Landing lights are good. Engine lights.
That's a 92 Alpha. Use caution, we had severe turbulence reported by a King Air about 3 mile final for 36 left about an hour ago.
Roger that, thank you, 92 Alpha. Alright. That's kind of weird. I've never come this way, so I wanted to get out for, set us up for a 2.5 mile final. I'll probably get configured on final.
To line her up straight.
Yeah. 280. I get a wind check.
Runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land. Get a wind check, please.
Wind 280 at 22.
Alright, we're below 110. We'll get that first notch in there. 8022. That's what I landed with last time. On 18 knots. They're pretty high right now.
Yeah. Lakefront Tower, Arrow 2556, Quebec.
Arrow 2556, Quebec, Lakefront Tower, hold short, runway 27, inbound traffic.
Holding short, runway 2756, Quebec.
The wind's not bad if it's right down the runway.
Yeah. How smooth that is, bro?
Oh, look at the white caps on the lake.
Crazy.
And out in our speed there. Just feels really weird because we're going so slow, but our indicated's so high still. That wind is nuts. There's a little bit of wind. Hey, not too bad.
Arrow 56, Quebec, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 2756, Quebec.
That's the 92 Alpha, turn left at Foxtrot, contact ground point 7.
The Foxtrot ground point 7, 92 Alpha.
That bad boy.
Look at that. Oh, boy.
Damn,
now we're talking.
Clean. Oh, look at that thing. Golly.
That was actually a really good landing.
It was.
It was not too bad when the winds were right down the runway, so. Direct ground, Skyhawk 1092 Alpha off of 27 at Foxtrot, headed to the guard ramp.
92 Alpha, taxi at Foxtrot, hold short of 27.
Foxtrot, hold short 27, 92 Alpha. One day, huh? One day. Look at that.
One of them bad boys.
Stream.
I wonder who is flying with that bad boy.
You look up the tail number. What's the tail number?
9 Alpha Foxtrot.
9 Alpha Foxtrot. Oh, that one is kicking. I don't know why they parked it over there. It's never parked there. Alright, that's a wrap.